So apparently there are still people in the world who haven't seen this recipe for whipped coffee yet. I was going to make some this afternoon. We made some for the last 2 days. I'm tired. I could use a good caffeine boost. And Chelsea said that apparently some people hadn't seen this recipe yet or were wondering the best way to make it. So this recipe's been made by literally everyone on planet Earth at this point. And you probably don't even have to Google it. If you open your computer, it will just jump out at you. It's literally everywhere. But if by some chance you haven't seen it yet, then now you will. For better or for worse, now you will. It's just the way it's going to be. So water's going on the tea kettle over here on the stove. This first ingredient is hot water. There's only 4 ingredients. Hot water is the first one. Your store may be out of a lot of things, but I guarantee you can still get hot water. So we'll start with the hot water. Now I'm making this, I've kind of expanded this. Most of the recipes out there are going to be for 1 cup of this. I'm making 3 because we have 3 people in our house who enjoy caffeine. So it's a 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 cup of water goes in the bowl. In with the 1/4 cup of water goes 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm sorry, 4 tablespoons of sugar. So you could do a 1/4 cup of sugar. It would be the same thing. And then in addition to that, you need about 4 tablespoons of instant espresso or instant coffee. We have not tried this with instant coffee yet. All we've done so far is instant espresso. So that's what we're doing here. And this stuff is strong, let me tell you. Strong. Okay. So once you've got those 3 ingredients in the bowl, I know I said 4, there's a 4th one, but once you've got those 3 ingredients in the bowl, grab your whisk. I've seen people try to do this whisking by hand. Y'all are insane. It is so hard to whisk something by hand for 5 minutes. It's not even really a strength thing. Like, you're just gonna get tired. So grab an electric whisk. If you have just a whisk, good for you. It's a workout and a coffee drink in one. But I put this down in the sink because it's kind of messy. This guy has a low speed and a high speed. The low speed is less messy. The high speed is faster. So I usually start out on the low speed and then switch to the high speed. All right, so it's kind of mixed up a little bit. I'm gonna switch to high speed. Still gonna be a little bit of a mess to clean up. Probably no way around that. But after whisking it, it looks like that. I don't know if the camera will focus on that or not. Oh, it's trying. Looks like that. So 4th ingredient is milk. It doesn't have to be almond milk. Do whatever kind of milk you want. I've been doing this with 6 ounces of milk. I know some people have done it with 8. Did not do it with 6 ounces of milk. That is a lie. I must have done it with 4 ounces of milk. Yes, it was 4 ounces of milk. Because it will not work in these cups. That is inaccurate information. So, let's do it with 4 ounces of milk instead. So we'll leave a little bit in the bottom here. Really doesn't matter how much milk it is. The point is to put enough milk in there that you've still got some space to actually put in the whipped coffee part on top. Okay, so now I've got 3 glasses, all with different amounts of milk in them. That's what the measuring cup's for. Kind of bring these guys up to an even level here. There we go. Seems about right. And then literally, the hard part is getting it into the glasses without making a gigantic mess. Because it is messy. So, taking some of this good stuff, put it into each one of these glasses. And again, you could have this and just make it for 1 person and you'd have a little more whipped coffee. Probably use a little bit taller glass. You could double it and make it for 6 people or probably even 8 people. It definitely stretches a little bit. It's really strong. So just make sure that the people you're serving it to really, really like coffee, or you're going to have some of these unfinished. But it's really, really good. There's a reason that it's everywhere on the internet right now. Usually I'm not a fan of social media trends. This particular one is it okay? Yes, I wash my hands. And yeah, so that's basically what you're looking at. And that was times 3, 4 ingredients, pretty easy. You gonna steal one? All right, all yours. She likes hers with a straw, I don't. My sister said the challenging part is learning how to eat them or how to drink them. And I would agree, it is, that is definitely the challenging part. They look easy to drink, you just like pick it up and drink it, but this stuff doesn't move around, it's not really like whipped cream. And so you pretty much either gotta stir it in or put a straw in it or something like that, or you're just going to like drink the milk out from underneath it and then have all this stuff still sitting in the top. So although it looks really pretty like this, the reasonable thing to do is then to take a spoon and stir it up and then drink it that way. Anyway, so there it is. Probably the 5 billionth time this particular recipe has been videotaped, but it's the only time I've done it, so enjoy.